Apple Watch Ultra 3. Why it's worth the upgrade this year. Apple is stepping things up in a big way. Among all the exciting tech updates from revamped iPhones to MacBooks powered by next-gen chips, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is stealing the spotlight. It's not just another iteration of the watch, it's a bold leap forward, especially for athletes, adventurers, and anyone serious about their health and safety. After nearly 2 years without a major update to the Ultra lineup, Apple is finally delivering a model that's packed with meaningful upgrades. This isn't about minor refinements, it's about reimagining what a smartwatch can do. A new era in health monitoring. One of the biggest highlights is the watch's expanded focus on health. Beyond tracking the usual metrics like steps, heart rate, and sleep, the Ultra 3 is rumored to include a new feature that watches for signs of high blood pressure without needing a traditional cuff. It doesn't provide exact readings, but it detects trends that might point to early signs of hypertension and alerts you if something seems off. Combined with existing features like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and heart rhythm notifications, this new tool adds a deeper, more proactive layer to personal health tracking. A smarter, brighter displayed screen is also getting a serious upgrade with the introduction of advanced OLED technology known as LTPO3. This means smoother visuals, improved efficiency, and a clearer display, especially in bright sunlight or from side angles. Whether you're on a run, scaling a mountain, or glancing at notifications, the display stays visible without draining your battery. It's always on, always responsive, and always efficient. Built tougher, designed smarter, Apple hasn't forgotten about durability. The Ultra 3 comes with subtle yet important design enhancements like a metallic backplate. This improves both connectivity and charging speed. Better heat management could allow the watch to charge up to 80% in just half an hour, ideal for quick power-ups before heading out. It's a clear sign that Apple is designing with real-world usage in mind. New power with the S11 chip. At the heart of the Ultra 3 is the S11 chip, a powerful new processor that improves everything from performance to energy efficiency. The watch becomes faster and more responsive while using less power. This could allow room for new sensors or a larger battery, unlocking even more advanced health tools and smoother experiences, whether you're tracking a workout or checking messages. Stay connected. Off the grid. Only standout feature is satellite messaging, which first appeared on the iPhone. Now it's coming to the wrist. Even in areas without cell coverage, users can send emergency messages and possibly receive replies. That two-way communication could be a lifesaver when you're far from civilization, whether you're hiking, climbing, or just exploring the outdoors. Battery that keeps up with your battery life is always a concern with smartwatches, but the Ultra 3 looks like it'll push the limits. Thanks to efficient hardware and display tech, it's expected to last multiple days on a single charge, even with demanding features like GPS and an always-on screen. And when you do need to charge, it won't take long. Built for adventure, ready for anything, constructed from tough materials like titanium or aerospace-grade alloys, the Ultra 3 is made to endure. It's designed to handle water, dust, shock, and even extreme altitude. The screen stays readable in all conditions: rain, snow, or bright sunlight, so you're never left guessing. It's a watch for those who don't take it easy on their gear. WatchOS 11, smarter than ever. Of course, hardware is only half the story. The Ultra 3 will ship with WatchOS 11, which adds new features for serious users. Think offline maps, advanced navigation tools, new workout types, and deeper insights into recovery, stress, and sleep. It's a smart operating system made for active lifestyles.